Hey there, welcome to another video of a student channel about how to make tables. Today's video is the part 2. So I'll discuss more about how to make tables in Microsoft Word. So let's start in this. So as usual, we'll open our Microsoft Word document, then we'll go to insert, we'll add tables. And let me add a 6x2 table, or let me add a 6x4 tables. I will show you some other commands of tables. So last video I have showed you how you can merge the tables. Let me show it again. You have to select the two rows or columns that you want to merge, then right click on them, then click on merge cells, then it will be merged. To undo it, click Ctrl+Z. Now here are some other options, like you can insert more columns to the right. I will show you what happens when you add more columns to the left. It adds another column to the left. We can also add more columns to the right. So I will add another column to the right. Another column has been added. Let me undo it. And there is another command, insert rows below. You can add another row below of this table. Also, you can add rows in the upper sides. This one is above, this one is below. You can insert cells inside a cell. To do that, you have to click on insert cells. Now shift cells down, shift, insert entire row, insert entire column. You can insert anything you want from this, like shift cells to the right. Let me shift the cells to the right. It has been shifted to the right. So let me undo it. By this command, you can, by insert command, you can insert more rows to the left, more rows to the right, more columns to the left, more columns to the right, more rows in the above and more rows in the below. And you can also split the cells, and you can also insert cells to your entire row, entire column, or entire cells to the right. So there is another option, which is split cells. You can split your cells. To split your cells, you have to select the cells that you want to split, then click on the cell. The cell you want to split, you have to click on that and type split cell, which will be splitted. How many rows or how many columns you want to split, you can set it here, then click OK. It will be splitted into two. I want to make the row divided into two columns, so I have clicked that and it has been splitted into two. So this was the split command. Then we can see there are more commands, like cell alignment. You can align the cell as it should be this way, it can be this way as you want. If I select this, the cell will be this one. So this one is easy one. Then you can add borders and shadings to your cell. That means you can edit the cell borders, edit the design of the cell borders from this section, like this. Your cell borders have been changed. So borders and shadings can be selected from these sections. As you want, you can make your table look like this from this. So this section, borders and shading, is very much important and very much useful for making a good looking table. So let me select the default one. Here my table is as usual. Now we can choose text direction, which direction the text will be added. Then you can align your cells that I have just showed. You can do auto fit. Auto fit means when you type, your cells will be automatically fitted to the sentences or to the words that you input in these cells. So auto fit is used for that. Then you can add also table properties, or you can see table properties. You can make the table row, column, cell, etc. heights. You can fix the height. You can move the alignment to center, left and right. There is another thing that is also very much important. That is, you can use bullets on your table. Like if you choose sections, there will be bullets added. To add bullets to the whole section, you have to click the whole section. Then you can add bullets from this section. So this one is also very easy. Now I'll show you how we can delete cells. So to delete a cell or to delete a row or a column from your table, just click on that, then click on delete cells. Now it will show you and it will give an option about this for that which row or which column do you want to delete. So I want to delete entire row. If I want to delete this entire row, I will click on delete entire row and the entire row will be deleted. Let me undo it. Again, if you want to delete the entire column, so I'll select the entire column and the entire column will be deleted. Did you see that? Yes, the entire column will be deleted. You can shift the cells upper and lower. So delete cells option gives us to customize a table or to remove a column that you don't need or to remove a row that you don't need. You can easily remove that from this section. So that was almost everything of how you can customize your table, how you can add rows, how you can move your cells, how you can split, how you can merge. So let me give another revise so that you can understand it well. First click on the row, then right click on your mouse and this tab will appear. From here you can bold your text, make your text italic, change the color, change the shade of the column, also change the border, the font size, etc. Then you can insert new rows, columns and cells at which side you want. Then you can delete cells, delete the entire column, delete the entire row. You can select the whole table or you can select a particular part of the table from select options. You can split cells into 2, 3 or 4 as you want. Then borders and shadings, which option is already been given here, you can use it from there. Then text direction, cell alignment, which is also been given here. These options is also same as this one. Then you can also do auto fit, that I have showed you, that when you type a text it will automatically take the space in your table. Like let me show you. I am typing this one. I am typing this. Look, my cells is automatically getting by this part. So if you select auto fit, it will be done this way. So then that was all. These are the options. These are the design shadings. So I have already showed you how we can use these options to make a table, to customize your tables. And these are the shortcuts, the shortcut bar. You can also do all these things from this here also. You can see that these are the shortcuts of all these sections. So that's why I didn't show you this. I have showed you this section. It will be helpful for you. You can change the page layout, preferences, etc., etc. To you can see the table tools, design and layout. Everything all is given when you right click on this bar and the shortcut bar appears. So thank you for watching the video. That is the last part of how to make MS Word tables. If you want more, I will make more videos like this about table. So keep supporting, subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone.